my channel. My name is Angel. So if this is your first time here on my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button before we jump into it. And hit that notification bell, sis, because you don't want to miss another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this beautiful, simple purple makeup look. And it matches my shirt, sis. Just keep on watching. Yes, ma'am. Okay, you guys, so we're going to go ahead and start off with the face. So for primer, I'm going to be using this Smashbox primer. You guys, my pores have been going crazy lately. I have been using something for my pores. So if you suffer from like large pores or whatever, I have something coming for you guys. So just stay tuned. It's really, really good. And it definitely has been working. I'm just setting all the places where I tend to get oily. Oh my gosh, the way this mirror was sitting, you guys, like I was about to break my whole neck. So for foundation, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty. And I have been loving this lately, you guys. Like, I know I used this in one of my previous videos, and it has been bomb. Like, it has done my skin so well, and it keeps my face sitting, sis, all day. My face is snatched and it's sitting, and it doesn't take much at all. And you guys, this is my Morphe 439 brush, and I have really been enjoying this brush lately. And I remember telling you guys, like in one of my previous videos, that my skin had just been doing what it wants to do. And somebody mentioned in the comments that it may be like maskne, like mass acne. And maybe that's what it is. Like, I'm really trying to get my skin under control. I'm trying out some new products. So I'm trying to get everything under control, to see what my skin likes, see what doesn't like, and to see what's going on. Because I don't have like acne prone skin, but I do use like preventative methods such as using a salicylic acid cleanser and stuff like that. But my skin has been going crazy. So now that she's all blended out, I'm going in with the Fenty concealer. I love this concealer, you guys. Like, my skin has been, I don't want to say super dry, but my under eyes, it's been crazy. Like, my skin is dry in some areas, it's oily in some areas. But this has done me good. It has not made my under eyes super oily, nor has it made my under eyes super dry either. And then to set, I'm just going in with this Dermablend Loose Setting Powder in the shade Cool Beige. I feel like I've really been bad about telling you guys exactly what it is I'm using in my description bar below. But I do feel like I always like show you guys what I'm using anyway. But sometimes I may forget to tell you guys the color or something like that. So I'm going to try to start back linking things of what products or whatever have you that I've used in my description bar, so you guys can check it out, see what color it is, and get you some, sis. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face using my Black Radiance Soft Focus Powder, and the shade that I'm using is Milk Chocolate. Y'all, I literally think that we're gonna have to start having our girl chats on my beauty videos, because like everybody literally watched my vlogs, like even some guys that I talk to and even guys in general. And it's really for us, sis. So I'm gonna have to start talking to y'all on the beauty channel, because I'm just like, what are y'all doing? Y'all not supposed to be watching the vlogs. The vlogs are the girls. So I feel like I'm gonna have to start talking to you guys on here. Hopefully we can talk about some different topics. I really enjoy vlogging so much, you guys. Like, I feel like, okay, let me put some makeup on first because I'll get to talking. So I'm just using my custom Mary Kay palette. I'm going in with this brown shade right here, you guys. It's called Mahogany. So I'm going to go ahead and use this as a transition shade. You guys, this is going to be a super simple makeup look, literally using 2 eyeshadows. And that's it, sis. We're keeping it simple. So as much as I love my, my crazy looks, well, I don't do anything too crazy here on my channel. But as much as I love me a nice and bold and cut crease, dramatic-ish makeup look, I love those natural looks too that don't take up so much time, that only maybe about 30 minutes, less than an hour, 45 minutes. I really have been appreciating those looks lately, you guys, because I have just been on the go, like, and I have been wanting something that I can just throw on. Nothing that I don't have to, something I don't have to think about too much, basically. So yeah, if you guys start seeing these more natural 2 and 3 eyeshadow makeup looks, hopefully you guys won't be too mad at me. I don't think so, because I think you guys really do enjoy the easier makeup looks, you know, for the everyday woman. But yeah, you guys, we're gonna have to start having our girl talks on here, because I just feel like the dudes be looking. They be looking and they be doing too much, you know? So we're gonna have to have our talks on here. Hopefully they don't watch the makeup videos too. Y'all, I did like a Facebook live video the other day, you guys, talking a little bit about the Mary Kay lip glosses. I'm actually going to use a gloss in today's video, I think. But I'm just like, what in the world? Like, I'm like, where the girls at? Sis, where y'all at? Because I'm like, I have more dudes watching a makeup live versus girls, you know, which is crazy. But the guys love me too, you know. They just looking. Y'all know how guys are anyway. Like, they just, you know, looking. They're not trying to learn no makeup or nothing. They just want to see you. So yeah, so I'm just taking this. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I am making sure that I blend it out. I'm getting it all in my crease area and all in my outer corner area. That's the thing I love about these Mary Kay eyeshadows, you guys. If you are the one to do your makeup application before your eyes, I promise you, you will not have any fallout, or this brush is all over my eye. You won't have any problems with fallout or anything like that. These eyeshadows are amazing. And because I have on this beautiful lilac purple top, I want to rock a purple eyeshadow. So this is a really quick way to rock some color without having to do the most. So next, I'm just taking some of my Wet n Wild concealer. This is like in one of the lighter shades that they have. It's in light ivory. And then I'm just going to take this Wet n Wild brush, and I'm going to tap into this concealer, and then I'm just going to tap it on my lid. And basically this is this serves as an eyeshadow primer, as well as it's going to lighten up the eyeshadow so that it can pop a little bit more on my lid. And when doing this, you can literally feel your eye socket. I normally just go a little bit above my eye socket. Next, I'm going into my Morphe 35B palette. I normally like to just use one palette, but Mary Kay does not have like any bold pastels. So I had to tap into this baby. So I'm going in with this beautiful purple shade right here. And I'm just packing that purple right on top where we place that concealer. Now you do have to be careful with these Morphe shadows, you guys, because you may get a little bit of fallout, but it's a matte shade, so it's not, you know, going too crazy. So going back in with the same blending brush, I'm gonna take that, y'all, I have stuff everywhere. I'm gonna take that Mary Kay shade that we use in Mahogany, and I'm going to just blend everything together. I'm gonna blend the outer corner, and then to make the eyeshadow just pop just a little bit more, I'm gonna take this white shade right here, and I'm going to go ahead and just pack some of this on top of the purple. It's just going to make it a little lighter, not much at all, but just a little lighter. So I don't really know if you guys can tell on camera, but it did brighten the eyes up just a little bit. So next I'm going to go ahead and do a wing liner. And for wing liner, I am using my waterproof liquid eyeliner pen from Mary Kay, of course. You guys, this is amazing. Like, this is a perfect eyeliner for beginners. I am dropping everything. So if you are a beginner, this will be perfect for you. It has a super easy felt tip applicator that's going to allow you to just glide this along the eyelid. So like I said, I'll be sure to leave my website down in the description. So for bronzer, I'm using this Nika K Duo. You guys, Mary Kay actually has a bronzer as well. Well, it's actually a contour. I'm so excited to try it out, but I haven't tried it just yet. But it looks like it's gonna be amazing. Like, I have been in love with bronzers, concealers, liners, like, oh my gosh, especially bronzers. I've been obsessed with lately. And then for blush, I'm taking this e.l.f. palette and I'm using this peachy shade right here. And lately, you guys, I have not been wearing highlighter, if I have to be honest, but I am going to put on just a little today. I'm actually going to go in with this shade. I rarely use this one. This is the Laura Geller Dripping in Gold Illuminator palette, and I'm going to use the shade French Kiss. And you guys, when I have been using highlighter, like, it's literally been the most minimum amount. Like, that's it, like, and we good. Because I just feel like throughout the day my skin naturally produces oils, so it's just kind of like silly of me to be doing all of this. Now when the winter time comes, I really do like highlighter, but I don't know what it's been. Like, I don't know what's been going on with me and highlighter. I can't even see if that's enough or not. Like, that's how little I've been applying, sis. I think that's enough. So I'm just going to take this super small Morphe 508 brush, and I'm going to go back into that Morphe 35B palette using the purple shade. I'm going to put a little bit of that in my waterline. Well, in my lashes, I guess. You definitely don't want to put eyeshadow in your waterline. And then I'm just going to use my Mary Kay Lash Intensity Mascara on my top and my bottom lashes. Y'all, this mascara makes my lashes look like tarantulas, sis. Like, if you don't have bottom lashes and you want them to be pulled out, get this mascara. I'm telling y'all, it's bomb.com. You want me ready, sis. Alright, so moving on to the lips, because we in the long haul, sis. We finished. So I'm taking this Mary Kay lip liner. This is in the shade Chocolate. This lip liner is super dark. I love it. It's super beautiful. And it looks gorgeous paired with the nude. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lips using this. Super creamy. Everything. Everything, sis. And then I already had some chapstick on my lips. So I'm just going to pretty much kind of blend that out. Just a little bit. And the first time I used these, you guys, it kind of scared me because I'm like, whoa, this is dark. But it's absolutely gorgeous. And then for my lipstick, I'm using this Mary Kay Gel Semi Matte lipstick. Now, this is not my first time trying their lipsticks, which are amazing, but this is my first time trying this one. So this is a nude, a matte nude. That's pretty. Kind Kind of like a pinky nude. Gorgeous. Yes, ma'am. My boo gonna be like, come here, baby. And I love these lip glosses. I mean, these lipsticks, you guys. They are matte finishes, but they're not, they're semi-matte, so they're not super matte, and they're not drying on the lips or gonna make your lips look crusty, sis, or dry them out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a clear gloss. Y'all know I love me a good old beauty supply store clear gloss. And I'm just going to go ahead and take a little bit of this. And y'all, this Wet n Wild brush, I don't even know which one this is. I think it's a smudger brush. It has become my lip brush. Because all the normal lip brushes, you guys, they too little. Like, sis got big, juicy lips. So I need something big to get in there and get the job done. You feel me? So, yeah. And I mean, it's a look, sis. This is a look. So, comment down below, what do you guys think my first girl talk / makeup look be about? Because we don't have to start doing girl talks. I've been saying I want to do that for a while now, and it's time to put some pressure behind that thing. We applying pressure, sis, all 2020. Alright, so this is pretty much the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this super simple makeup look. Perfect for beginners. Perfect if you are on the go, you want something cute, something colorful, but you got to get out of there, sis. This is it. Change the color up on the lid, whatever you want to do, and it's the look, sis. So this is pretty much for this look. If you guys enjoyed this makeup look, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And if you like the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the gang. Y'all remember to be blessed and follow your dreams, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.